Hi everyone, I'm Beck Smith. I thought, given that we're all stuck at home, trying to make use of the time we've got at the moment, that it would be a good idea to provide some tips and tricks around how business owners can improve some of their skills online with their digital marketing. A lot of my clients like to do their own digital marketing. They're do-it-yourself marketers, and they're always looking for new ideas and new ways to improve their business, particularly online. So today I had a little pretty simple tip on how you can improve your Facebook following. So some of you may already know about this, others may not. But I'm just going to show you a really simple way that you can actually increase the number of followers that you have on your business Facebook page without spending any money in particular. So presuming you've been putting some posts up, you might have been boosting some posts in the past, you may have run some ad campaigns as well. You may not be aware that you have the opportunity within those posts to actually invite new people to like and follow your page. So I'm going to show you one of the pages that I actually look after. There's two different ways that you can actually go in and invite these new people to follow or like your page. So one way is through this notifications tab here. So you'll see a whole list of different notifications that have come in. Here's one that it's saying that we've got people that have reacted to the link in my post, and so you can help them to see future posts by inviting them to like your page. So you can click on that notification and then your actual post will come up. And if you just scroll down to where the little icons are that show the thumbs up, the heart, whatever the little symbols are that they've liked your page, you'll come in here and you'll see who's already liked your page, who's been invited. And in this instance, we've got an opportunity here to invite Julie to like the page. So you can click on that invite there, and that's one way to actually get more subscribers. So obviously she's already engaged on one of my posts, so she's already quite interested in what it is that we're offering on this particular page. So you've got a much better chance of actually getting that person to like your page. So that was going in through notifications. The other way is through your page itself. What you can do is go through your last posts or boosted posts that you've got here, and here's that same post again. So if you keep an eye on these as you're boosting and posting new posts, you come in and keep an eye out here, and you can see again, because I haven't clicked that invite yet, that Julie is available for us to invite to like our page. So this can be really successful, particularly when you are running a boosted ad campaign, obviously, or you might be boosting your post out to friends of your current followers on your page, or you might have created a unique audience through a custom audience or through Ads Manager, where you're actually trying to get new people to see and like your page. So that's just one little tip for today. What I'm going to be doing is actually over the next month, I'm going to be posting a tip or trick every day over the next actually 40 days to help my small business owners, you do-it-yourself marketers out there, to improve your skills. So while you're at home, it's a great opportunity for you to move forward and become more proficient in marketing your business. Anyway, have a great day. Stay safe. I'm Beck Smith, the do-it-yourself marketing trailblazer, and I look forward to chatting with you soon and sharing some more ideas around how you can improve your business marketing. Also, if you've got any particular topics that you'd like me to do a little video on if you're stuck on a particular aspect of your marketing. Put a little note in the comments of this video, and I can make sure that that's one of the topics that I cover over the next 40 days. Also, make sure you share this with any other of your friends who might be small business owners who also could benefit from improving their do-it-yourself marketing skills. Okay, have a great day, stay safe, and I'll be chatting with you soon.